Hi children, I hope you all are safe and fine. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 4, natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay, natural numbers are all counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting as usual we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. These are counting numbers. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. Okay, so there are infinite natural numbers starting with the smallest number 1. The smallest number of natural number is 1. Okay, and the largest number we cannot say because there are infinitely many numbers, natural numbers are there. Okay, now next is whole numbers. In this chapter we are going to learn more about natural numbers and whole numbers. Whole numbers are that number system which has 0 in addition to natural numbers. That means if we add 0 in the set of natural numbers, that set is called whole number system. Okay, that means the smallest number of whole number system is 0 only. Natural number system 1 is the smallest number, and in the whole number system 0 is the smallest number. Okay, so starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. to infinite is the set of whole number system. Okay, so when we consider number system, we have to introduce the properties of these number systems. Okay, now we are going to learn the properties of these whole numbers. First property is closure property. Closure property means when we add, closure property of addition. 4 operations are naturally, basically there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and what are the properties of whole numbers in addition, in subtraction, in multiplication and in division? These are we are going to learn. Okay, now let us see in addition what are the properties of whole numbers. Okay, first property, closure property. As I said, closure property means if we add 2 whole numbers and we get another whole number, then the whole number system, we can say the whole number system is closed under addition. Closed means that means if we add 2 whole numbers, all numbers added get added. When they are get added, we get another whole number. Okay, as for example, if we add 10 and 20, 10 plus 20 is 30. So 30 is also a whole number, 10 is a whole number, 20 is a whole number, and these two get added. When these two numbers get added, we get another whole number as 30. So these numbers are closed under addition, and under addition, proper operation addition, whole numbers are, we can say whole numbers are closed. Next property is commutative property. Communicative property, not communicative property. It is commutative property. Okay, commutative property says that if 2 numbers are added, the sum of 2 whole numbers is always a whole number. That was closure property. And commutative, the sum of 2 whole numbers remains same if the order of the number is changed. Order of the number is changed. That means if we had 2 numbers, suppose 2 and 3 I had taken here, for example 1 and 2. 1 and 2 2 whole numbers. When 1 and 2 get added, 1 plus 2 get added, we will get 3 as the result. But when we add 2 plus 1, there also we get the same number 3. Okay, so that means if we add numbers in any order, we will get the same number as the result. Okay. Next is associative property. Associative property tells the sum of three natural whole numbers remaining the same even if the grouping is changed. That means if A, B, C, A comma B comma C are three whole numbers, then A plus B, if we group A plus B and then the sum is get added to C, is same as A plus if we group B and C together. Okay, here A and B together we added, and that sum is added to C, and this whole sum is same as A plus B plus C. We are grouping B and C together. Okay, for example, if we take A as 2, B as 3, 2 plus 3 plus 5, C as 5, then this is, what is this, 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10, and A plus B plus C क्या होते हैं? That means A plus B plus C is 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 8 is also 10. So these and these two are same. So whether the numbers get changed, order of the numbers, grouping of the numbers get changed, there will not be nothing change in the sum. Okay, that is what is associative property. Next property is identity element. Identity element means in addition, 0 is the identity element. Identity element is that element with which we add one number, we will get the same number. That is, the 0 is the identity element of addition. Okay, because if we add any number with 0, we will get the same number itself. Okay, next we are going to learn the properties of multiplication. Till now we are we covered addition, properties of addition. Now multiplication, we are going to learn multiplication. First property, again closure property of multiplication. That means, that tells if we multiply a number, if we multiply two numbers, we will get again a whole number. If A or B, two whole numbers, if we multiply these two numbers, we will get another number. 2 or 3 get multiplied, we will get 6. 6 is also a whole number, 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number. So when two whole numbers get added, we will get another whole number. That is closure property. Here second property, here also commutative property. That means if we multiply two numbers A and B, in A and B, then this is same as B multiplied by A. That means if we multiply two numbers in any order, we will get the same product. Okay, suppose 6 into 5, A is 6 and B is 5, is same as 5 into 6, which is 30. Okay, so if we add any number in any order, we will get the same number as the product. That is commutative property. Next is associative property of addition, subtraction, multiplication. That means if we multiply three numbers, A into B, we are taking A into B, A and B in one group, and that product is multiplied with C, is same as A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Here we are grouping B and C, and that product is multiplied with A. Okay, for example, we are taking this number 4. A is 4 and B is 3. Okay, and C is 2. Suppose here I have taken 2 into 5 into 4. Okay, 2 into same in the note. I am taking same numbers, 2 into 5 into 4. Okay, this is nothing but 10 into 4, which is 40. And here A into B into C, taking A as 2, B as 5, C as 4, we are getting 2 multiplied by 20, which is again 40. Okay, so these two sums are same. That means if we multiply, group any numbers in any order, we will get the same product. Okay, that is what is associative property of multiplication. Now multiplicative identity, as before additive identity, here it is multiplicative identity. In multiplication, 1 is the multiplicative identity. That means if we multiply any number with 1, we'll get the same number. Okay, that is what is identity. It is called identity. Okay, now in addition we have property of 0. In multiplication, 0 has an important property that if we multiply any number with a 0, we'll get 0 as the product. That is the property of 0. Now properties of subtraction and division. See, properties of subtraction and division are these properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, etc. All these properties does not hold in subtraction and division. Okay, so now we have one more important property, that is distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. What is that? If A, B, C are 3 numbers, whole numbers, then A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B, A multiplied by B plus this plus A multiplied by C. A multiplied by C. This is what is distributive property, because this is why it is called distributive property. We are distributing A to both B and C, distributing A to both B and C. That is what is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here multiplication sign is here, addition sign is here. Okay, so this is very important property. Say for example, if we take 2, A is 2 and B and C as 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, then what we get here? This is nothing but 2 into 8, 16. Now A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. What is this? A is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5. That is here it is 6 plus 10 is 16. So these two numbers are same. That means A multiplied by B plus C is same as A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So this is what is distributive property. Okay, next property, next is multiplication over subtraction. Same distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. That means if A, B, C are 3 numbers and A multiplied by B minus C is same as A multiplied by B, A multiplied by B, same as A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C, same as A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. This is what is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A multiplied by B minus C is A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. That is, see here, I am taking A as 2 multiplied by B is 8 minus 5. I am going to take this. Then what we get? 2 into 3 is 6. Now what is A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C? What is this? A is 2 into 8 minus 2 into C is 5. That is 16 minus 10 is also 6. These two are C. So that means A multiplied by B minus C is A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. So this is distributive property over multiplication over subtraction. Okay, this is what is multiplication over subtraction. Okay, so now we conclude the properties. Now next is whole numbers or number line. That is nothing but we are usually starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Okay, we have to take these distances between two numbers. We have to say keep same gap. Okay, same gap, same distance. Okay, now some questions I have given you as solved examples. Just go through the questions and try to solve the worksheet, okay, that I had given you. And if you feel any doubt, you can ask me the doubts in the Google Meet, our next Google Meet. Okay, children, thank you so much for attending the class.